All right, you're looking at a custom fitted grill. This is a 4-piece, 4 bottom teeth. We just had done for a customer. It is solid gold, guys. It's 14K. You can check out that stamp right there in the back. Real solid gold. And it's a 4 bottom teeth. You can get yours on our website, blingcartel.com. You choose how many teeth you want. You can do a 4, you can do a 6, you can do an 8, you can even do a 10 piece, top or bottom, or both. Check us out, blingcartel.com, guys. Handmade work, quality, fit. blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching, guys, and as always, y'all have a good one.